Welcome to my mommy's channel, How to with Teresa and Princess LeeLee. Today we're going to be making a cheesesteak Pastelon. If you want to know how we made it, please keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe. In this part, Mommy has cut the vegetables. First, I taste. Now we're putting oil on the pan to fry the plantains. Now we're going to fry the plantains until they get dark. Now we're going to flip them so they get fried on the other side. The plantains are completely fried. Now we're going to start cooking the steak. We're going to start seasoning the meat. Now we're going to add the steak seasoning. Now we're going to drain the meat to take out the grease. Now we're going to put the meat back into the pan to finish seasoning it. Now we're going to add the peppers, the onion, and the seasoning to put in the flavor. Now we're going to combine it to even out the flavor. Our meat is completely cooked. And now I taste the steak. Yummy! We add the egg to help it not stick. Now we're going to start building our Pastelon. Let the fun begin. We add our plantain to our first layer. We add the meat and then our cheese of our choice. Now we add another layer and then repeat the steps. Now we're gonna put it in the oven for it to bake. 375 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes until the cheese melts. While the Pastalones are in the oven, I will eat a snack.
You like peppers?
Yeah.
You're having fun, huh?
Mm-hmm. And I'm taking a little snack. And now the pastelone is done. Delicious. We did an awesome job. Teamwork makes the dream work. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy.